Hi, are you planning a wedding and you're thinking what accessory would you use with your wedding gown? I have one key accessory here for you, which is a bridal bouquet. A bridal bouquet is a very important accessory. People look at the dress and they also look at the bouquet. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a classic, simple hand-tied bridal bouquet. So please stay tuned. Hi, this is Adria of Adria Celebrations, a floral and event design company. Our goal is to share wedding planning tips, floral and event design inspiration, and of course some party DIY decorations. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my wedding bridal bouquet. Stay tuned. So for my bouquet, of course you need flowers, and today we're going to be using roses. I have here some white roses, some pink roses, and some spray roses. Let's get started. So to start my bouquet, I start with 2 flowers crossed, and then I start adding my flowers at an angle and mixing the colors as I go along. So watch and you will see what I mean. What do you think of my wedding bridal bouquet? It's lovely. It's a classic design, of course, with the white and the pink. So now that I've finished this, we can always end it off by adding a little bling if you want, because it's so nice to see, and brides can hold it like this with the string. So I'm just going to add this and then we're going to end this video. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends that are getting married. Also subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a good day.